This is not about affiliate marketing. There is no need for a website. You don't have to be followed on social media to be successful. This method also doesn't require any prior knowledge or experience. Today, thanks to a website I recently discovered, I'm going to teach you a way that will make you feel very comfortable making money online. But first, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we'll show you how to make money online is the simplest method possible. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever we post a new video about making money online, you can get started right away. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. And don't be hesitant if you have any issues, questions, or opinions on this video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're interested in how we make money online for free, look for the link in the description box below. Let's return to the video and get started. You may already be familiar with the website I'll be discussing with you. And if you haven't heard about it yet, this website is Seedjink.info. This is a money-making site. Because we know you have the required expertise, we offer creative jobs that work online and pay online. You've come to the right place if you have a few hours a day to spend in front of your computer completing small tasks with limited time and a high salary. You hire flexible employees who benefit from change and challenges, who are innovative and confident, and who seek immediate responsibilities. You will be paid for your time and can join for free. Yes, they are free to do so. Many of you, I'm sure, like the fact that this method is accessible from anywhere in the world. You can see these three people if you scroll down a little bit. The woman on the far left is a Filipina. The middle woman is from the United States, and the man on the right is from Australia. They're from all over the world, which explains and proves that it's available everywhere. These are some of the advantages of using this website to work online. You can work from anywhere, at any time. This is the website for you if you want to be on-site independently and work from anywhere in the world, or if you just want to work flexibly for yourself. You can make as much money as you desire without making any investments. One of the few sites where you can start with nothing and work your way up to a full-time income is Seedjink.info. Now that you have that knowledge, let me explain how it works. This website is unique in that you do not earn money for not participating in surveys, watching videos, or clicking ads. You'll be able to find the job openings you're looking for on the internet. You have paid a significant sum of money. So we've got market research, job postings, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching. We'll concentrate on one specific task, proofreading. Proofreading, for those who don't know, is the process of correcting various errors in a text, hence it necessitates a higher level of English. However, I'll show you a free program that will correct any article's errors. To show that it works, I will purposefully compose an article with numerous errors. So remember to stick with me to the end of the video to ensure you don't miss any important details. With that in mind, you only need a quick typing speed for writing tasks if you have skills in other areas such as market research, job postings, translation advertising, and online education, for example. Working as a translator is much better if you are able to speak 2 or more languages. It can pay off for a long time. I'm going to focus on proofreading in this video, but you can do whatever you wish. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the like button. Let's return to the video now. So, all you have to do to start work as a proofreader on this website is sign up. Hover your mouse over the upper right corner of your screen to find your career. You'll clearly want to choose a proofreading job because that's what you're looking for. They go into greater detail about what proofreading entails on the following page. This word derives from proofing, which is when a final sample print is used to make changes before the final printing. As a result, the proofreader goes over the work, looking for any errors. Spaces, punctuation, spelling, alignment, type, font, and style, and other aspects are all part of the proofreading process. They'll also go through the nature of the job and, more crucially for us, the pay rates, which range from $5 to $10 per page or 1,000 words as a proofreader. Rates are determined by the type of job, the nature of the activity, and the degree of skill required. And, more crucially, because I'll be releasing a program that will assist you in correcting an article's errors. You may easily make a lot of money as a proofreader, even if your grasp of grammar is poor. So, all you have to do to apply for employment as a proofreader is scroll down a little and click on this button that reads Apply for Jobs, and you'll be taken to this page where you may apply. You must first download the application form by clicking this link, after which you will be taken to this page where you must fill out some basic information about yourself. You must first choose a job that you are applying for, which is proofreading, and then filling out the rest of the form. You can see below that they accept PayPal as a viable payment option, and all you have to do now is check the box to agree to the terms. Also, like your signature, don't forget to provide your full name. That's all there is to it. When you've finished filling out this form, click Submit. If you want to return to the previous page, you'll see that they'll send you a script that's riddled with errors. Proofreading assignments will be delivered to you either digitally pre-taped or as an image or physically handwritten. Our clients or partners provide sample work so that you can learn how to complete the job. This is where Grammarly, the application I mentioned earlier, comes in handy. You can visit their Grammarly page for more information. This is something I've been utilizing for quite some time, and I can assure you that it's completely legitimate. This is also one of the better tools available for correcting textual problems. We'll need to install Grammarly as a Chrome extension, so try to use Google Chrome as your browser. So, if you click this, you'll be taken to this page, where you may add Grammarly as an extension. Once that's done, you may sign up using Gmail, Facebook, or your Apple ID. If you don't want to do that, you'll have to fill out the necessary information after filling out the form. You can just agree and sign up by clicking the Agree button. They will next ask you certain questions, such as why you need Grammarly. After you've answered all of these basic questions, you'll be taken to this page, where you can see that Grammarly has a premium package, but it's not necessary because the free one provides all you need. It aids in the correct use of spelling, grammar, and punctuation. As you can see, this is what we need to do in proofreading jobs, so you don't have to pay for Grammarly. That money can be used for something else. So now I'll try to demonstrate how Grammarly functions. Allow me to copy an article and insert some typos to test how Grammarly handles them. I took an article from medicalnewstoday.com and copied it. I put it into Google Docs and then edited a section of text to make it error-prone. Take a look at this. It not only found every mistake, including little ones like punctuation marks, but it also tells you the overall score of your content here. The accuracy, clarity, engagement, and delivery of the information. Graham goes above and beyond simply collecting your grammatical blunders, and you can do all of this for free. However, the best part is that you don't have to rectify every problem individually because you can just click the faults over here. When you click that, they will automatically correct any text errors in your article, and it's as simple. You only need to copy the article. CJink.info will allow you to paste it into Google Docs, where you can use Grammarly to correct all of the text errors and send it back to them. You'll be accepted as a proofreader on that website without difficulty. So, if you do this, as indicated, and following all of the processes I just described, you will be able to make hundreds to thousands of dollars. Again, you don't need any prior expertise or a thorough understanding of English because Grammar will do all of the work for you. That's all there is to it. That concludes the video for today. Before we go, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch our videos.